So people, welcome to a new video, and in today's video we're gonna make a story post. So you can make a story post always of your own photos and pictures. So let's try it in this picture of Freiburg. It's the Altstadt. We were there, me and my girlfriend, and well, if you want to make a story post, you click the arrow next to the chat icon. It's here, and you can add your post to your story. In a new video I go deeper in on the options for your story post. But for now you can do two things. You can add your picture to your story, or you can share them only with your closest friends. And also in another video I'm gonna show you how to make your group of closest friends. So for now, thank you and see you in the next video. Goodbye.